Namaskaram. Good morning, all of you students. How are you, all of you? Hope you all fine, happy, healthy, and safe at your home. Students, today we are going to flexibility, yogasana, and hip opening, stretching, and some core strengthening yogasana abhyasa. This abhyasa have to increase your flexibility and flexible your body and effective all internal organs and your respiratory system, your digestive system, all kind of joint and muscles, and also reduce your belly fat and fat. So let's come today's session. First of all, we will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. So let's come to sit on any meditative posture. Saralasana, Sukhasana. Sit on Saralasana. Normally fold your legs. Keep your both hands in Jnana or Chin Mudra, Jnana Mudra. Your back should be straight. Normalize your breathing, relaxing your shoulders. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Start Gayatri Mantra together. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palms and place your both palm, your face muscle, your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm with a gentle smile. So let's come for warm up yogic abhyasa. First, come to standing position. Sit on Vajrasana and come to standing position. Just like standing position. Come to center of the mat with leg together, feet together. Exhale, touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale 2, exhale down. Inhale 3, exhale down. Inhale 4, exhale down. Inhale 5, exhale down. Inhale 6, exhale down. Inhale 7, exhale down. Inhale 8, exhale down. Inhale 9, exhale down. Inhale 10. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale, bend your head and go for head rotation. 1, make a complete circle. Don't move your shoulder up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come to the center. Raise your both arms above the head. Bicep touching to the ear. Both hands finger interlocked. And place both hands center of the head. Legs together, feet together. Normalize your breathings. And inhale. Stretch your both arms up. Bicep touching to the ear completely. Lift your body on your toes. Stretch up, shoulder stretch, arm stretch, chest upward, stretch Tadasana. Hold here for 10 seconds. Exhale down. Release your both hands from side. Stretch your both arms on front and clutch your fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Elbow bend. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Place both hands on your shoulder with your both hands finger, elbows together. Go for shoulder rotation. 1, bicep touching to the ear, elbows together. 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Place both hands on your waist and go for a rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side bending. Raise your left hand above the head, bicep touching to the ear. Exhale, bend to right. Hold here for 5 seconds. Slowly release. Same with the opposite side. Raise your right hand up, bicep touching to the ear. Exhale, bend to left. Hold here for 5 seconds. And slowly. Legs apart according to your shoulder. Raise your both arms up, fingers separate. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward and make a swing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Hold here, both kneecap with both hands and go for knee rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch your right leg on front and go for ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Same with the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Normalize your breathings. Now we are fully warm up. So let's come first. Yogic Abhyasa Asana. First come to center of the mat with leg together. Inhale. Jump, spread your leg. 3.5 to 4 feet gap in between your legs. First, left leg feet 90 degree out and your right leg feet 40 degree. Place both hands your waist level and move your pelvic bone to left. Look at your front. Exhale, bend your left leg in 90 degree. Your left thigh parallel to the ground and place your left palm beside your left feet, outer edge of left feet like this, just like. And raise your right hand above the head and bicep touching to the air. Look up, hold here. Utthit Parsva Konasana, hold here for 5 seconds. Slowly release. Same with the opposite side. Inhale, jump split. Your right feet 90 degree out, 45 in your left feet. Move your pelvic to right. Look at your front. And bend your right leg in 90 and your right thigh parallel to the ground. Place right palm beside your left feet, right feet, and left hand above the head, bicep touching to the air, and look up. Slowly release. Next, standing asana, Utkat Asana and Utkat Asana series. First, come to center of the mat with leg together. Bend your knees. Place both palms beside your feet and place your stomach on your thighs. Half bend your knees like this. Inhale, chest up. Raise your both arms from side, palms touching each other, bicep touching to the air. Look at your fingertips. Make arch on your thoracic spine. Look up. Utkatasana. Hold here for 5 seconds and slowly release. Next variation of Utkatasana, legs apart, 2.5 to 3 feet gap in between your legs, both feet 90 degree outward, like this, and both thighs parallel to the ground, and put your right forearm on your right, closer to your right kneecap, and raise your left hand above the head like this and slowly release. Same with the opposite side. Place your left forearm closer to your left kneecap. Raise your right hand above the head. Look up. Hold here and slowly release. And next variation of Utkatasana. Again, legs apart, 3.5 to 4 feet gap in between your legs. Both feet 90 degree outward. Bend your both knee in 90 degree and slightly bend and hold in 90 degree. Push your both kneecap back with both hands like this, just like hold here, and raise your both arm in line with the shoulder like this, and slowly release. Come to center of the mat. Next abhyasa, sitting yogasana abhyasa. Sit on the mat. Come to Vajrasana like this. Next abhyasa, butterfly series. So let's come for butterfly series. Hold your right leg ankle and place your right ankle closer to your left thigh root and your heel closer to your navel region, and catch your right knee with your right hand and catch your toes with your left hand, and inhale. Just touch your thigh and kneecap on your right chest. Exhale. Touch on the ground, put down, look back from left shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Same with the opposite leg. Left feet closer to your navel region and catch your left kneecap with left hand and catch your toes with right hand. Inhale, lift up, exhale, put down, look back from right shoulder. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly. Next, butterfly. Both feet touching each other in Namaskar Mudra. Legs Namaskar Mudra. Place both palm on your kneecaps and lift up with inhale and exhale, push down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Interlock your both toes with both hands and do complete butterfly in sequence. And release. Hold here and catch your both feet with both hands and roll upward with inhale. Spine should be straight, chest up. Exhale. Inhale. Hold here. Exhale. One more round. Inhale, roll upward. Both feet facing upward. Spine should be straight, chest upward. Exhale. Next, variation of butterfly series. Inhale, raise your both arms above the head. First, roll upward your both feet upward and hold. Inhale, raise your both arms. First, drop your both palms on ground. Then exhale, draw both forearms. Slowly walk with your both hands forward. Slowly. And try to touch your abdomen region on your inner edge of both feet. Try to touch. Exhale. Hold. And slowly come back and release asana. Next abhyasa, Janusirasana. Let's come for Janusirasana. Hold your right leg ankle. Place your right feet to inner part, closer to inner part of left thigh, like this. Spine should be straight. And left kneecap straight, left leg fully straight. Raise your both arms up, bicep touching to the ear. And exhale. Catch your toes with both hands like this. Exhale, slightly bend. Try to touch your forehead to your knee and hold here. Inhale, come to center. Same with the opposite leg. Hold your left leg ankle closer to your left leg ankle, inner part of right thigh. And heel also closer to right thigh root. Inhale. Exhale, slightly bend forward. Catch your toes with both hands. And slowly bend forward with exhalation and touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale, come to center and raise your legs. Next abhyasa, Chakki Chalasana. Spread your both legs, fully spread. And both hands, finger interlocked. First, go from right side, make a complete circle with exhalation. Both fingertips touch on your big toes. Inhale, come from left side. 1, 2, make a complete circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come to the center. Next abhyasa. Next yogic asana abhyasa in prone position. Come to prone position. First, Sarpasana. Place both palm closer to your chest, both elbow closer to the chest. Inhale, lift your body from thoracic spine, only your back, center of the back, lift up, and both palm facing forward. With inhalation, hold here, exhale down, slightly down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, lift your upper body from the navel region and completely lift your upper body from your waist level and look up. Bhujangasana. Next up. Next, Triyak Bhujangasana. Toes outside and look back from your right shoulder to your left heel. Change. Same with the opposite side. Look back from your left shoulder to your right heel. And slowly come to Sasankasana. Knees apart. Walk with your fingers forward. Try to touch your chest on the ground. Walk with finger. Hold here. Counter Yogasana or Bhujangasana. Again come to prone position. Next abhyasa, Salavasana. You can take support with your hands. Place both palms inside your thighs, just like. And first, Salavasana. Lift your right leg with support with your hand, like this. And you can also take support with your left leg, like this. And hold here. And hold. It's very useful technique for Salavasana. And slowly release. Same with the opposite leg. Lift your left leg with your hand support. And take support also your right leg. Like this. Just like lift your left leg and take support from right leg. Like this. Hold here. Very effective asana for your spine and your flexibility. Lift your both head like this. Hold here. Straight your knees. Hold here. And slowly release. Come to supine position. Next abhyasa, Uttan Padasana. Lift your right leg in 30 degree. Straight your knees. Hold here for 10 seconds. Slowly. Same with the opposite leg. Lift your left leg in 30 degree. Hold here for 10 seconds. So both leg, lift your both leg in 30 degree. Hold here for 10 seconds. Slowly. Next abhyasa, bridge pose, or bend your both leg and your both heel closer to your both glute muscles, and place both palms beside your outer edge of both feet and catch your both heels with your both fingers, both hands fingers, and inhale, hip up. Hold here for 5 seconds. and exhale. One more round, inhale and exhale. Slowly release. Let's come for pranayama abhyasa. Come to sitting position. Sit any meditative posture. Siddhasana, Sukhasana, Saralasana. First, sit on Siddhasana. Hold your left leg ankle and place your left heel closer to your inner region and hold your right leg ankle and place your right ankle on your left ankle. Spine should be straight. Keep both hands in Jnana or Chin Mudra. Normalize your breathings. First pranayama, भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम का पहला अभ्यास करेंगे सरल गति से, मध्यम गति से और उच्च गति से. चलिए, सर्वप्रथम हम 30 राउंड करेंगे सरल गति का और मध्यम गति के लिए भी हम 30 राउंड का ही अभ्यास करेंगे. नेक्स्ट 50 राउंड के लिए हम स्पीड राउंड को करेंगे. चलिए, लंग्स को पूरा फिल करना है ऑक्सीजन से. और हाउ टू चेक योर भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. योर डायफ्राम ऑलवेज अपवर्ड. Exhale. Empty your complete respiratory system. Empty your lungs. Inhale. Exhale. Normalize your breathing. मध्यम गति से इस अभ्यास को करेंगे. गति को बढ़ाते हुए normalize your breathing. तीव्र गति से केवल वही अभ्यास करें जो पूर्णतः स्वस्थ हैं. जो कोई भी व्यक्ति हृदय संबंधी और उच्च रक्तचाप संबंधी और अस्थमा संबंधी रोग से ग्रसित नहीं है तो वह इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं. अन्यथा सरल गति से ही इस अभ्यास को करें और वह भी बहुत ही सावधानी पूर्वक. Normalize your breathing. अगला अभ्यास कपालभाति प्राणायाम का होगा. कमर गर्दन सीधी रखें. स्टोक्स के माध्यम से स्टमक को पूरा पंप करते हुए, धक्का देते हुए अंदर की ओर कंटिन्यू एक्सलेशन करना है. फोर्सफुल एक्सलेशन करना है. इसमें आपकी लंग्स की भी इन्वॉल्व होगी क्योंकि निरंतर धक्का देने के लिए आप श्वासों को रेचक क्रिया करेंगे। और पैसिव इनहेलेशन, और थोड़ा सा ही जब स्टमक अंदर जाता है तो वापस आते समय श्वास स्वतः ही निम्न स्तर में स्वतः ही श्वास अंदर आपके चली जाती है। उसी श्वास को फिर पुनः धक्का देकर आपको स्टोक्स के माध्यम से इस अभ्यास को करना है। चलिए, प्रथम 50 स्टोक्स के लिए, देन 60 एंड 70 स्टोक्स के लिए। फर्स्ट 50 स्टोक्स के लिए कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। जो आंखें बंद करके इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, आंखें बंद करके कहें। जिन्हें चक्कर या इस तरह का अनुभव हो, वे आंखें खोलकर ही इस अभ्यास को। Normalize your breathing. अगला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का होगा। दाहिने हाथ राइट हैंड की प्रणव मुद्रा बना लें। नासिका सूत्रों के पास ले जाएं। फर्स्ट इनहेल फ्रॉम लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल and exhale to right. Inhale again right, exhale from left. It's complete one cycle. Just like go for 15 cycles, 15 rounds. अगला अभ्यास भ्रामरी उद्गीत प्राणायाम का होगा। दोनों हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा बना लें। आपके अंगूठों से दोनों कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। आपकी तर्जनी उंगली आपके आईब्रोज के ऊपर, मध्यमा आपके आईबॉल के ऊपर, कनिष्का आपके अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और अनामिका आपके लोअर लिप्स के ऊपर। आंखों कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। आंखों को तेजी से ना दबाएं। दांतों को अलग ही रखें, आपस में ना मिलाएं। जीवा को पटल पर लगाएं। खेचरी का अभ्यास करें। मौ का उच्चारण भौरे के समान गुंजायमान करना है। कुछ देर मौन ही रहे। दोनों हाथों की ध्यान मुद्रा, कमर गर्दन सीधी, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ें। अगला ओमकार का उच्चारण, ओमकार का प्रणोच्चारण नाभि और कंठ से ओम का उच्चारण। लंबी गहरी श्वास करें। कुछ देर इस अवस्था में मौन रहें। अपने आसपास के वातावरण को, अपने अंतःकरण को, अपने मन मस्तिष्क को ओंकार से उत्पन्न ऊर्जा से ऊर्जान्वित करें। अनुभव करें आपका अंतःकरण शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मंगल कामना को करते हुए दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में मिलाएं और तेजी से रब करें। चेहरे की मसल्स पर स्पर्श करें, आंखों पर स्पर्श करें। हथेलियों को सामने की ओर खोलते हुए चेहरे से एक मधुर मुस्कान देते हुए आंखों को खोल लें। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।